All right, guys, check out this math puzzle. Take a pause, take a moment, see if you can solve it on your own. And now, here's the solution. First, we need to identify how much every piece of chalk is. So this is a chalk, 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 chalk. There's 4 of them adding up to 96. So chalk must be whatever 96 is divided by 4. And if we divide this by 4, we get 24. So each of these are 24. Now we come down here and we know that the blackboard times the chalk equals 816. Now this is 2 pieces of chalk actually, so this whole thing is 24 plus 24, which is 48, okay? So 48 times what equals 816, so that's pretty big numbers. That's what makes this one tough, so we're really gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way. 848 goes into 81, 1 time, subtract, and we get, what is this, 33, right? 33, bring down the 6, and I believe that is 8 and 7. 7 times 48, that's 280 plus 56, and that's 336. Okay, so we know then this is 17. So the blackboard is a value of 17. Now we got to figure out what the guy is, the last variable, the last person. So we know that the guy is the chalk, which is 24, plus 2 blackboards. Each blackboard is 17, 2 blackboards is 34. So 34 plus 24 equals 58. So each guy is 58. Now we come to the last line, which of course has extra details that we gotta watch out for. We know that this guy is 58, but he's holding a piece of chalk. So it's 58 plus 24, which is 68, 78, 82, right? 70, 82. Plus a blackboard. A blackboard by itself is 17, but there's a piece of chalk there. You see that piece of chalk sneaking in there? So we've got a blackboard plus a chalk, 17 plus 24, which is 41. Okay. And then last but not least, we've got to multiply times this piece of chalk. All right. But order of operations says we do this first. 24 times 41. So we got really big numbers here. And then at the end, we add on the 82. So 24 times 41. Just be really careful with our math. 16,028, 489. And then we got to add on that 82 at the end. 6, 8 plus 8 is 16. Carry the 1. And that's 1,066. And there you go.